Live stream from anywhere with the pan tilt feature. Experience sharp and clear 1080p Full HD video right on your smartphone. Easily rotate and adjust the camera's view in real time with simple swipes on your phone. This camera is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for convenient control. Stay connected with real-time motion and sound detection alerts, even at night up to a distance of 30 feet. Use the two-way audio feature to communicate with your family or pets. Your videos can be securely stored locally on a microSD card up to 64 gigabytes or in the S Cloud with a Kasa Care plan. Set up smart actions to integrate your camera with other Kasa devices, such as automatically turning on lights when motion is detected. Enjoy the convenience of voice control by pairing the Kasa Wi-Fi camera with Alexa or Google Assistant. Simply ask Alexa or Google Assistant to view your live camera feed on compatible devices. Watch reviews from customers who have purchased this product on Amazon.